In full-scale testing of Bedford fiberglass-reinforced plastic pedestrian bridges by the University of West Virginia, a lateral force resistance test simulating extreme 120 miles per hour winds resulted in a transverse deflection of only 5.39 inches. The test proved that this design wind force is not a concern for the performance and longevity of Bedford FRP bridges.
When clients witness a full-scale test such as this, they have additional confidence that the bridge that is being supplied by Bedford and the bridge that they are going to buy will perform in the way that they expect it to perform.
Learn more about Bedford FRP bridges at bedfordreinforced.com.